Hello and welcome to our video on the most mind-blowing advances in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of machines to mimic human-like behaviors, such as learning and problem-solving. This is achieved through the use of algorithms and machine learning techniques, which allow computers to analyze and make decisions based on large amounts of data. In recent years, AI has made significant advances and is being applied in a wide range of industries and applications. So, what are the most mind-blowing advances in AI? Number 1. Self-driving cars. AI is being used to develop self-driving cars, which use sensors and algorithms to navigate roads and make decisions in real time. This technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation and reduce accidents caused by human error. Number 2. Healthcare. AI is being used to analyze large amounts of medical data to help diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and improve patient care. For example, AI algorithms can analyze medical records and imaging studies to help identify patterns and make diagnoses that may be missed by human doctors. Number 3. Deep learning. One of the most mind-blowing advances in AI is the development of deep learning algorithms, which allow computers to learn and make decisions in a way that is similar to the human brain. These algorithms are being used in a variety of applications, including image and speech recognition and natural language processing. Number 5. Robotics. AI is also being used to develop advanced robotics technologies, including humanoid robots and drones. These robots can perform tasks that are too dangerous or tedious for humans, such as search and rescue operations or exploration of hazardous environments. Overall, the advances in artificial intelligence are truly mind-blowing and have the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. It is important for researchers and policymakers to consider the potential impacts and implications of AI as it continues to advance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest developments in technology and science.